Circulatory system. Question number 1. What is the main function of the circulatory system? The correct option is option A, transporting oxygen. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a component of blood? The correct option is option D, enzymes. Question number 3. What is the name of the largest artery in the human body? The correct option is option B, aorta. Question number 4. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? The correct option is option D, left ventricle. Question number 5. What is the average resting heart rate for adults? The correct option is option A, 60 to 70 beats per minute. Question number 6. Which blood vessel carry blood away from the heart? The correct option is option B, arteries. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a risk factor for cardiovascular disease? The correct option is option C, regular exercise. Question number 8. What is the medical term for a heart attack? The correct option is option B, myocardial infarction. Question number 9. Which blood type is considered the universal recipient? The correct option is option C, type AB. Question number 10. What is the purpose of the valves in the heart? The correct option is option B, to prevent the big flow of blood. Goodbye.